Have you ever bitten into a big red strawberry and anticipated the burst of flavor and you got nothing? It tasted sour or flavorless, and this was so disappointing. You know, I've had that experience with strawberries in the past, but no more. I've learned how to create the sweetest strawberries no matter which variety that I grow. Today I'd like to share with you the 3 garden skills that create the sweetest strawberry flavor in your homegrown strawberries, no matter which variety you are growing. So one of the biggest compliments that our customers give us is how awesome our strawberries taste. It's so funny because the CSA, they come and pick it up and they're like, I eat the strawberries on the way home and don't even share it with the rest of the family. So that's kind of cool that they love them that much. All right, so here are the 3 garden skills that we use to get the berries to top out on the flavor chart. All right, number 1 is water. So in order for the plant to make great berries, it needs to have consistent moisture. So we make sure that our plants are never getting too dry or too wet. So we check the soil daily and water them when it's needed. And sometimes we are watering them usually every single day. The second garden skill is feeding the plants. So a strawberry plant needs a lot of nutrients to produce fruit. And if the plant is lacking in nutrients, this really affects the berry size and the flavor profile. So you can feed your plants a fertilizer made for tomatoes to get sweeter berries. Now we feed our plants every 4 weeks, and we feed our strawberry plants a special homemade organic strawberry fertilizer. Now this homemade organic strawberry fertilizer recipe is our secret weapon when it comes to big sweet berries. So if you'd like to have our recipe, please watch our video how to make homemade organic strawberry plant fertilizer that will help your plants create big flavorful strawberries. And you can find that link in the description below, or you can go to our strawberry playlist and you can find it there. So you want to go there and get that recipe. So before we get to the 3rd garden skill, I would like to let you know about our strawberry e-course. In it, you can learn all of our strawberry growing secrets for growing big, sweet, organic strawberries that you can be harvesting over an 8-month period. You know, I really love picking and eating strawberries in October. It's just pretty awesome. You can find the e-course link and a special YouTube viewer coupon for a discount in the description below. So drop down in the description, find the coupon, you can go and check out that course. Okay, the 3rd garden skill is when to pick your berries. So the plants will put in the final flavor of the berries as they vine ripen. So one of the best ways to improve the flavor of your berries is to let them ripen on the vine. Now, this was a huge problem when I was a kid, because my older brother would eat all the strawberries even before they got ripe. I mean, sometimes they'd even be just white and he'd be out there eating them. So if you have a bird or a brother problem with getting your berries to ripen, go ahead and put some bird netting over the plants. Now, if you'd like to learn more of our strawberry secrets and get the organic strawberry fertilizer recipe, you can find them in our strawberry success list, which you can find right here.